big show I've ever been to, which I'm only 18, so.
Really? Are you still learning?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
What's going on, man? Wait, can I get in or are you? I'll go. Oh, okay. How you doing? Can I come in? I do a lot of YouTube. JacobViral. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. I've seen you all the time.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Wow, this is a deep box.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's your name, man, and what's in here? Go for it.
My name is Dalton. I got 4 Scar VXF15s on a Ruthless 10K on 96 amp hours of headway.
Oh, there's your amp. Okay. How much lithium was it?
96 amp hours.
96. Okay.
Yeah. It's not enough, so the 10K is only halfway up, but it still gets down.
What are you? Is it? Okay, got it. You don't have it turned all the way up.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So I can't really go.
Any upgraded alternator?
Yeah, I got the stock 250 amp, and I got an aftermarket 400 amp.
Okay. And you built this?
Yeah.
Very nice. And that's a 6th order box port back there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You know anything about the box?
Yeah, it's tuned at 18 in the back and 36 on the front, or 39 on the front.
Okay. Anything on the cubic side? Do you roughly know ratio or anything?
It's a 2 to 1.
2 to 1. Okay. Are you happy with it, or are you still working on it?
I'm gonna go through and add some 45s and maybe some round over to see if I can get it more windy. But other than that, I'll probably leave it alone.
Okay. Have you tried mounting the cells regular at all, or always been inverted?
I tried them regular, but it took up too much airspace in the bottom chamber, so I flipped them back over.
Okay, got it. Sorry for the questions, it's slightly there. Awesome. Any SPL tests?
Yeah, I've metered a couple times, and at 36 hertz, it done a 156, and then it does a 153 at 154 at 20.
Okay. You weld this, or who made this? The braces?
Yeah, they're actually old race car parts.
I bet you that helped a lot though. With
Yeah, the roof used to jump like crazy before.
Yeah. Awesome.
I got a lot more to do.
Yeah.
First big show I've ever been to. So,
Really?
Yeah.
It's a great show, so yeah.
Which I'm only 18, so.
Really? Are you still learning a lot? Yeah, that's the life, man.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching, man. You did a really good job with the build. I know you still got some things to work and tweak on it.
Yeah.
And if you're trying to get it to play a little lower, I mean, you can't really do much more, to be honest, unless you adjust the ports.
Yeah.
Or try to open up the box, but then you'd have to modify it.
Yeah, I can open the back side of it, and I'm thinking about extending the back port and extending this port, because I can extend it inward, because that's flat right there on the wall, because it's a blow-through. So.
Yeah. Extend the port, yeah. Or if you wanted to slightly reduce port area, I mean, even a 10% would change it. But
that's
anyway.
why I'm going to do roundovers on the back chain.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Wait, can I get in or are you?
I'll go.
Oh, okay. How you doing? Can I come in? Take a picture real quick. Ooh. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sounds good. Thanks for the info.
Money.
see response on that. And your door's tearing up, man. Like everything. But yeah, I appreciate it.
I got a lot more to do. But
Yeah.
Worst big show I've ever been to. So,
Really?
Yeah.
It's a great show, so
Yeah, which I'm only 18, so.
Really? Are you still learning a lot? Yeah, that's the life, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo. Your name again?
Dalton.
JacobViral.
That's me.
And thanks for watching, man. You did a really good job with the build. I know you still got some things to work and tweak on it.
Yeah.